children, welcome back to another session of concept learning with Math Buddy. We're going to be doing addition of numbers, addition of 3-digit numbers specifically. We're going to be using place value blocks when we are doing this addition. As you all know, place value blocks has some flats, it's got some rods, and it's got some units, right? So the flats represent hundreds, the rods represent tens, and the units represent ones. So we're going to represent two numbers and then add them, right? So let's keep aside these blocks. And let's say that we want to add two numbers. Let's say the two numbers are 342 and we want to add this to 125. Very simple, very straightforward, right? So first we represent the two numbers. 342 has got 3 hundreds, so we take 3 of these flats. So we place it in the first number. Then we need 4 of these tens, so 4 of the rods, and then 2 of the ones, so 2 units. That's how we represent 342. Then we come to 125, so 100s. Then we need 2 of the tens and 5 of these units, right? So let's place the units here, 4 of them here, and then we'll place one more, okay? So we have represented the second number, 125. Now we want to add them. What is addition? Addition is putting things together. So just bring all the ones together, all the tens together, and all the hundreds together, right? So if I do that, what number do I have? So I've got a number which has got 7 ones, it's got 6 tens and 4 hundreds, right? So what is that number? It's 467. 467. So when we add these two numbers, we get 467. We can do it directly. 5 plus 2 gives me 7. 4 plus 2 gives me 6. 3 plus 1 gives me 4. Right? Now let's take a different example. Let's place these things. And okay. Now let's say the two numbers that we want to add. Let's keep the first number as 342. And let's say the second number is 168, right? And we want to add these two numbers. So can we represent the two numbers? So we've got the first number as 300, so 300s, and then I need 4 tens, so let's place that, and 2 ones, so let's place 2 ones. So that's the first number. Second number is 168, so 100s, which is 1 flat, and then 6 tens, so let's place 6 of these tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's 6 tens. And then we need 8 ones. So let's place the 8 ones here. So that's 4 ones. We need 4 more. We got 2. Okay, so that's 8 ones. Right? So first number is 342. And I've got the second number as 168. And addition is putting things together. Let's bring all the ones together. Now once we bring the ones together, what do we need to do? We've got 10 ones here. And whenever we have 10 of the ones, we need to always exchange it for 1 tens. So let's give it away and get 1 tens in its place. And we'll place it in the tens place. Okay. Next, what do? We bring all the tens together. So let's bring all the tens. Right? Now, how many tens do we have? We have got 11 tens here, right? We've got 11 tens. So again, we've got 10 of the tens, right? So whenever we have 10 or more of the tens, we need to exchange 10 of these for 100s. So let's give it away. So let's give away 100. Let's give away 10 of these 10s, right? And once we give it away, what do we get? We get one flat in its place, 100s. And what do we do with this 100s? We place it on top, right? Just like what we did with the 10s. And then we bring all the hundreds together. So just bring all the hundreds together at the bottom, right? And that's the result. What is this number? This is, how many hundreds do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500. Then there is 110 and there is no ones. So this represents the number 510. Okay. This is how we do carryover addition. If you do this directly, then you will actually see what we did. We got 8 plus 2. We got a number 10. So that's the 10 blocks that we had. And from that, we gave away the 10 and we exchanged it for 1 tens, right? So this 10 ones that we had, we gave it away. So we were left with nothing and we got 1 tens in its place. And then we brought all the tens together. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. So this became 11. And since we had 11, we again gave away 1 tens. So if we give away 10 tens from this, how much will be remaining? There will be 1 remaining. And we got 1 hundreds in its place, which we placed it in the hundreds place. And then we brought all the hundreds together and that's how we got 510. Okay. So this is how we do carryover addition. The only thing that you need to remember is that whenever you have 10 of the ones, you need to always exchange it for 1 tens. When you have 10 of the tens, you need to always give it away and exchange it for 1 hundreds. Okay. And then whatever is the result, once you bring down all the different place values, whatever you have in the result, that's the result of the addition. So I hope you all enjoyed this activity. If you have any questions, write to us at support@mathbuddyonline.com. Thank you.